Enter Bollywood. सब मिलेगा ZoomTV.in.
Deep within, Amir is a very insecure personality.
आमिर खान जहां अपनी फिल्म को लेकर हैं वेरी क्रिएटिव, वहीं वो अपनी लाइफ पार्टनर्स को लेकर हैं एक अजीब से तरीके में सिलेक्टिव। यानी कि जहां दूसरे खान्स प्रेफर करते हैं हॉट ग्लैम गर्ल्स हु मेक्स ग्रेट आर्म कैंडी, आमिर टेंड्स टू गो फॉर वुमेन हु मे बी नॉट योर टिपिकल बी टाउन ब्यूटीज, बट परहैप्स ही इज लुकिंग फॉर समथिंग एल्स। रीना थी इनकी फर्स्ट वाइफ और अब दूसरी बीवी किरण बन गई हैं द लव ऑफ हिज लाइफ। विल आमिर एंड किरण एवर हैव अ चाइल्ड? कोई भी रियल लाइफ किरदार भी निभाते हैं ये जी जान से। मामू आमिर ने लॉन्च किया भांजे इमरान को शान से। इज इट पॉसिबल कि हो जाए आमिर एंड इमरान के बीच एक बहुत बड़ा झगड़ा?
आमिर के जहाँ तक डेट ऑफ बर्थ का सवाल है सिमी, ही इज बोर्न ऑन द 14th of March 1965, which makes him a number 5 person. Anybody perhaps whom he finds too, attractive in terms of her intellect, या तो फिर जिनके साथ वो communication ज़्यादा कर सकते हैं, I think he finds them the most attractive. No offense with their looks, but I'm sure Kiran is a very very sensible lady. और the best part about it that they are very compatible. आमिर खान के लिए Kiran can be very very lucky, and I'm sure she's already proving that.
Yes, actually he's had some of his biggest hits after he's met her, and you know he's been with her. Correct.
और मुझे एक आमिर खान को एक हल्की सी छोटी सी टिप देनी है कि अगर अपने नाम के स्पेलिंग में वो थोड़ा सा चेंज करते हैं, AMIRR कर दें instead of the double A, that could really prove very lucky for him, and he can go really from leaps and bounds. He's already doing
but
good for himself.
But he's already there, so I don't think he needs the double R.
Correct, yeah. But Simi, there is Amir is a person who never gets enough, और he's like, I would say, somewhat greedy. और 2011 का साल जो आने वाला है, राहु का साल है, which is fantabulous for Amir Khan. एंड 47th ईयर में जब उनका प्रवेश हो जाएगा, उनकी आने वाली हर एक फिल्म, बी इट दिल्ली बेली, बी इट धोबी घाट, every film is going to click and appreciated like all over. And with the double R, I'm sure it is only going to help him much better.
भाविक, मुझे लगता है कहीं पे when it comes to his relationships, Amir can be very obsessive. It's like जब उनकी पहली वाइफ रीना के साथ उनको प्यार हुआ था, तो he risked his career, he risked his entire image, and उन्होंने घर से भाग के शादी की थी.
Correct.
And then suddenly it was all over. One fine day, you would never imagine that somebody like Amir Khan can end a marriage, but he did. So now he's as much in love with Kiran. जब देखो वो उन्हीं की तारीफ कर रहे होते हैं. He's totally madly in love. Do you see the same thing happening with Kiran and Amir again?
Not at all, Simi. जहाँ तक compatibility का सवाल है, Amir and Kiran are just completely made for each other. और Kiran की जो date of birth है 7th of November 1970, which makes her a number 7 person. और आमिर खान के लिए anybody who's like 2, 3, 5, 6 या 7 are the most compatible people in his life. So I do not see any reason that why he should have any problems with Kiran whatsoever in the near future as well. And definitely this is not the case of love lost.
Do you think they'll have a family? You think she'll probably go on to have a child with him?
Very much, but मुझे लगता है कि कम से कम 2 साल में उनको वेट करना पड़ेगा. 2012 is like a time where perhaps Amir can actually embrace fatherhood.